just how much John Stones fetched in the transfer market, and the fact that Manchester City paid so much. Do you feel that may have inflated it a bit in terms of central defenders?
Well, yes, we know that in England the transfers are very high because there is an influx of money. When you go outside England, it's very high because you're English. So you're not too surprised about the transfers amount as well, because the clubs don't need the money in England, and that's why maybe they only weaken if the price is very high.
What can you tell us at this stage in terms of how your transfer dealings are going at the moment?
Look, today my focus is not too much on that, because we play in 48 hours a very important game, and to do well in this game anyway, the transfers will not help us now, because we have a strong squad. We have to deal with the game on Sunday with the squad we have available. But of course we lost basically 3 centre backs because we have Mertesacker, Gabriel, and Koscielny, who is not ready, who are out of the game. So most of the time the injuries happen in the same sector. But I believe we are equipped to do well, and we are confident that you can do well. Transfer-wise, as soon as we do something, we will inform you.
Sure. No, I understand. I mean, can you say, for example, whether there is any progress being made on a deal for Mustafi?
No, I cannot tell you.
No, I understand. No, I mean,
what is good is what you understand.
They go out and pay 89 million for a player. How hard does that make it for Arsenal?
Look, Man United is the richest club in the world, so basically with Real Madrid, so not many teams can compete on the financial amount, but I feel that it doesn't make the difference, because at the moment I feel on the pitch we can compete, and that is the most important. It's not necessarily, it's not a financial competition, football. It's a performance competition, and
is it becoming more than a financial competition?
it is becoming, but the financial competition does not always reflect specifically after in the table of Premier League, and we have to make sure that that is the case. And Leicester has shown that last year.
For a tough challenge on Sunday, do you consider Liverpool as among the title contenders?
Yeah, you cannot dismiss Liverpool like anybody else. We have about 8, 9 teams, certainly you can pretend they have a chance to win it.